Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to the Natural Jamaican Kitchen. Now today I'm sharing one of my favorite balanced meals, stewed chicken with pop chow. Now the first step is to cut up your chicken into bite-sized pieces, and of course, as a Jamaican we're gonna wash it with some vinegar. You can also use lime or lemons. This dish is full of flavor, it's simple to make, and it nourishes the body. And the best part is, these pop chow came out of my garden. Now after we wash and drain the chicken, we're gonna add our powder seasoning. So I'm adding some complete seasoning. I'm gonna add some garlic salt, garlic powder, and of course some black pepper. I love eating meals like this because they remind me that eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. When you use what you have, especially my fresh vegetables from the garden, then you can eat well, save money, and still enjoy a good meal. Marinating your chicken overnight really enhances the flavor, but if you're not able to marinate it overnight, at least an hour is good enough. Now when it comes to garlic, if you've watched my channel before and you've seen some of my other videos, you will know that I hardly cook any meal without garlic. Garlic is great for your heart, your blood pressure, and your immune system. Plus it adds a lot of flavor to your dish. I enjoy meals like this because they are made from whole, real ingredients. No processed food, no additives, just natural flavor. Plus the herbs and the spices aren't just delicious, they are really good for your immune system and health. I am using red, yellow, and green bell peppers, but you can use any color that you have on hand. Bell peppers are a good source of vitamin C and A, plus they are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. Now I love using chicken because it's a lean source of protein and it keeps me full. Plus it supports muscle health and it's lighter on the body compared to red meat. Now let's get cooking. You can use browning on your chicken to give it that nice brown color, but I'm not going to be using any browning, so I'm gonna fry mine in the oil to give it that golden brown color before I cook it down. Now stewed chicken is something that I love to make when I want a meal that is hearty, flavorful, and good for my body. As a nurse and someone who believes in eating for wellness, I try to choose meals that keep my energy up and my blood pressure balanced. And this dish does exactly that. This meal is also budget friendly, so you don't have to spend a fortune to eat healthy. Plus, if you plant your own vegetables, that is a plus. If you're trying to eat healthy but you still want the good old Jamaican flavor, this is a good meal. Plus, it's packed with nutrients and it can be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Now, one of the reasons I believe that Jamaican food tastes so good is because we add a lot of natural seasoning. Lots of onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, tomatoes, bell pepper, and this is what we'll be adding. And of course, don't forget the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now once all the chicken pieces are nice and golden brown, you're going to pour off a little bit of the oil, and then you're going to add your natural seasoning. We're not going to wash the pot because we want to use the juices on the bottom to add that deep, rich flavor that you get with your brown stew chicken. Now after you saute the vegetables for a few minutes, we're going to add some water. Add your chicken pieces and make sure you have enough water in the pot to cover the chicken because you want to have some gravy once the chicken is cooked. I'm also adding a little ketchup to the pot, but you can also use tomato paste. Cover the pot and let it simmer. Now don't forget to add your thyme. I forgot to record that when I was putting the thyme in the pot. And I will also add a little bit of butter. It really enhances the flavor. Don't forget to taste your gravy as you add your ingredients so you can adjust the taste as needed. Now that our chicken is ready, we're going to head to the garden and we're going to get some fresh pop chow, or pop choy as it's called in other cultures. Look how beautiful these pop chows are, fresh and organic. Now as you can see, I cut off the base of the pop chow because it's easier to wash, so you can remove all the dirt that sometimes get caught in between the stem. This pop chow dish is quick and simple to prepare. I am only using garlic and onion as my natural seasoning along with some powder seasoning. Now as you can see, I've added my chopped onion and garlic to the pot. Now we will chop the pop chow. I will be adding some olive oil to the pot, but you can also use coconut oil. Now once the onion and garlic start to sizzle, we'll add our pop chow to the pot. My powder seasoning of choice is complete seasoning and a little bit of garlic salt. Because I'm using the garlic salt, I usually don't add any salt, and of course I just added some black pepper and a little bit of butter. Once you add all the seasoning, just give the vegetables a little toss so you can evenly distribute the flavors. Now I don't like my vegetables to be too soft, so I usually keep them on the crunchier side, but you can cook it and test it to see your desired texture. So that's it, my YouTube family. A wholesome, flavorful Jamaican stewed chicken with pop chow straight from a garden. You don't get no fresher than that. Dinner is served. If you're trying to eat better while managing costs, start with simple homemade meals like this. Use fresh herbs from your garden. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as usual, here is a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica. Road trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.